The Tesla Model S uses Bluetooth 4.0 or 5.0 for wireless connectivity. Key functions include hands-free calling, music streaming through the A2DP profile, and data tethering to share your phone's internet connection. The pairing process begins with scanning for available devices. Enter the PIN code, often 000 or 1234, and confirm the connection on both your phone and the Tesla's display. Common Bluetooth issues include device not found when the Tesla can't detect your phone, not working for dropped connections, and pairing errors when the device list reaches its maximum of 7 devices. Remember that Wi-Fi interference and mismatched device profiles can cause problems. Always ensure both your phone and Tesla are in discovery mode before pairing. Bluetooth 5 offers improvements over version 4 in speed, range, and battery life, as shown in this comparison. Begin with a simple soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. Next, forget the device on both your phone and the Tesla. In the Tesla's Bluetooth settings, remove any unused paired devices. The system has a limit of 7. Then reinitiate the pairing process. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and the Tesla. If problems persist, move on to the next step. Tesla frequently releases firmware updates that address Bluetooth connectivity problems. These updates are delivered over the air and specifically target issues like pairing failures and disconnections. To check for and install updates, navigate to Controls on your Tesla's touchscreen, then select Software and choose Update. This will download and install the latest firmware version automatically. These firmware updates refresh the Bluetooth stack, which is the software layer handling wireless connections. They also fix specific bugs, including memory leaks that can cause devices to disconnect during use. According to Tesla, 85% of users experiencing pairing failures see resolution after updating. This high success rate makes firmware updates a critical first step in troubleshooting. Don't skip this step. Always ensure your Tesla Model S is running the latest firmware version to benefit from these fixes and maintain optimal Bluetooth connectivity. Wi-Fi signals can interfere with Bluetooth connections in your Tesla Model S. Both technologies operate on the same 2.4 GHz frequency band, which can cause signal overlap and connectivity issues. Tesla's support app now includes a diagnostic tool specifically for Bluetooth issues. Access this tool through the app, where it automates reboots and scans for common problems, helping resolve connectivity hiccups without requiring a service center visit. If software solutions fail, hardware degradation in older Model S units, specifically those from pre-2018, might be the cause of Bluetooth issues. While this is less common, occurring in around 30% of cases, according to a 2025 J.D. Power study, it's still possible. When this happens, contact a Tesla service center for a hardware check of the Bluetooth module. They can diagnose and repair or replace faulty components. Keep in mind that hardware repairs require professional assistance. The future of Tesla connectivity involves reducing reliance on native Bluetooth. Tesla is exploring wireless CarPlay and Android Auto alternatives that will make connecting your phone even easier. Furthermore, 5G-enabled infotainment systems are on the horizon, potentially phasing out Bluetooth for ultra-low latency connections. While legacy Model S support will continue, these advancements promise improved connectivity in future Tesla models. Tesla is planning a V13.0 update in 2026 that may eliminate pairing entirely for select devices via NFC-like auto detection. Experts suggest that most Bluetooth issues are software-related, accounting for 70% of reported problems. Tesla's CTO has mentioned that firmware updates have reduced support tickets by 50%. User surveys now rate Bluetooth stability at 8.5 out of 10 post-updates, showing a significant improvement from previous years. By staying updated and employing the troubleshooting steps outlined in this video, you can minimize Bluetooth problems and enjoy seamless connectivity in your Tesla Model S. Remember to check Tesla forums and communities for the latest tips and solutions.